Welcome to Personal Finance Channel. Are you looking to retire with $1 million by age 35? It may seem like a daunting goal, but with a clear plan and dedication to saving, it is possible. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide to saving and investing for retirement, so you can work towards your goal of retiring with $1 million by age 35. We will cover the importance of setting financial goals, creating a budget, starting to save as early as possible, investing in a diverse range of assets, contributing to a 401k or other retirement account, and working with a financial advisor. By following this plan, you can work towards your goal of retiring with $1 million by age 35. So, before we get started, do like and subscribe to our channel if you like watching similar content. 1. Set a clear financial goal. The first step in saving for retirement is to set a clear financial goal. In this case, the goal is to retire with $1 million by age 35. 2. Create a budget. In order to save for retirement, you will need to create a budget that includes saving for retirement as a priority. This may require cutting expenses in other areas of your budget or increasing your income through additional employment or other means. For example, by bringing your lunch to work instead of eating out, canceling your gym membership and starting to work out at home, and switching to a cheaper cell phone plan, you will be able to save more money each month towards your retirement goal. To increase your income and save even more for retirement, you can try looking for part-time or freelance work in addition to your full-time job, or consider starting a side business. By increasing your income, you will be able to reach your retirement savings goal faster. 3. Start saving as early as possible. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, starting early can make a big difference in the long run. Here is an example of how starting to save early can make a difference for two people. Person A starts saving for retirement at age 25 and saves $500 per month until age 35, at which point they stop saving. By age 65, their savings have grown to approximately $971,000, assuming a 7% annual rate of return. Person B starts saving for retirement at age 35 and saves $500 per month until age 65. By age 65, their savings have grown to approximately $628,000, assuming a 7% annual rate of return. In this example, Person A, who started saving 10 years earlier, was able to save over $300,000 more for retirement than Person B, even though they both saved the same amount per month. This demonstrates the power of starting to save early and the benefits of compound interest. It's important to note that this is just an example, and the actual amount of money you will have saved for retirement will depend on your specific circumstances, such as the amount you save, the rate of return on your investments, and other factors. 4. Invest in a diverse range of assets. There are many different types of assets that you can invest in, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, real estate, and more. Each type of asset has its own set of risks and potential returns, and it's important to consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance when deciding which assets to invest in. By investing in a diverse range of assets, you can potentially reduce the overall risk of your investment portfolio and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. It's generally a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or do your own research to determine which assets are best for your individual situation. 5. Contribute to a 401k or other retirement account. Contributing to a 401k can be a good way to save for retirement because it allows you to save automatically through payroll deductions, and the tax advantages can help your money grow faster. It's generally a good idea to contribute as much as you can afford to your 401k, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Many employers also offer matching contributions, which means that they will contribute a certain amount of money to your 401k for every dollar you contribute, up to a certain limit. There are also other types of retirement accounts that you can contribute to, including traditional individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. These accounts offer different tax advantages and eligibility requirements, so it's a good idea to research your options and consult with a financial advisor to determine which account is best for your individual situation. 7. Consider working with a financial advisor. Finally, if you're not sure where to start or how to best save for retirement, you may want to consider working with a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized retirement plan based on your specific goals and financial situation. I hope this video has been helpful in providing a step-by-step plan for saving and investing for retirement. Remember, the key to reaching your goal is to start as early as possible. Set a clear financial goal, create a budget, invest in a diverse range of assets, contribute to a 401k or other retirement account, and consider working with a financial advisor. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your retirement savings plan, you can work towards your goal of retiring with $1 million by age 40. Saving for retirement can take time and effort, but it's an important investment in your future. By starting to save and invest now, you can set yourself up for a secure and comfortable retirement. Thank you for watching.